Right, so this is my summary video on my topic portfolio for PN 4036, and I'm just presenting this to John Condon there. So I'll be looking there at my resource development and then my question development. So to start off, my resource, for my resource development, I made a physical resource, and my topic, first of all, is rolling circles, loci. So my physical resource is to help students visualize the plotting of the points to locate the path of the locus. So I made out a simple resource, as you see here, with a circular card with all the equal divisions of the circle divided up onto it, and it's very simple. It can be used in the classroom, and it can really help students visualize the physical circle rolling along the line to plot the different points for point P to eventually draw the locus. And that was about it for my resource, and it just really helps students visualize it, because a physical resource, they can pick it up in their hand, they can roll it along the page and look at it as they go. Do you have any questions there for that, John?
Yeah, I've one there for you now, Pat. How will you incorporate this into your lesson?
Really for any cycloid question, that this is very simple, like that it could be used for, or even some of the harder rolling circle questions, and the student can just roll it along, set out the page, and then roll it along. Very simple. So I'll go on to the assessment then. So I did an assessment then on a simple cycloid rolling circle question, and you can just see there I set it out as the tire and the air valve in the tire, and plot the air valve as point P, and then form the locus. And I just have the question out there and a bit of a rationale, and I just looked at it as in the students they'll need a good overall knowledge of the topic to complete the question. They'll have to be able to plot out all the correct points as they go through, as the circle rotates along from point 1 to point 12, and that's about it for that. And do you have any questions there now, John?
I do have one. Yeah. What expectations do you have for the students answering the questions? Do you think they should get on well at answering the question, or?
Yeah, in general, students should get on well in answering this question, because it's not too difficult. It's laid out fairly well there. All I've asked the students to do is plot the locus of the point for the full revolution of the circle. I've asked them to show the final position of the circle or the tire, and clearly show how to plot the location of any of the point P's. So that's very good, because the students can sometimes just guess the location of P, but they'll have to show the triangular method, or just simply show what axe they swung to find the location of point P. And I think that's it, John, is it?
Yeah, that's clearing up a load for me. Thanks.
Lovely.